Hi everyone, today I will show you how to get the certification in JMeter. Okay, our topic is how to get JMeter certification. Okay, how to get JMeter certification? The majorly in JMeter is a open source tool. Okay, there is no any specific certification. You need to provide the in JMeter tool side. But remember, there is a one website for India point of view. The site name this one https://www.vskills.in and certification. Just I will show you for reference purpose. Yeah, this is the website, India based website. This one, there are so many technologies. Okay, which one you need to certified in JMeter point of view. Also, you can go and type the JMeter. Okay, certified JMeter tester. You need to search that one, certified JMeter tester. Okay, you need to check that one with type of certification you need to check, and you will provide everything certification based on your payments. Okay, you need to pay for around 3499, and there is some questions, 50 questions, maximum marks 50, pass in 25%, 25 marks, 50% will become only pass. There is no negative marking in module. Okay, this is the JMeter certification, but there is no any specific company will be provided the exam and you need to pass, you will provide some certification. That type of things is not there. Only vskills.com only will provide the, sorry, vskills.in only will provide the certification for the JMeter in testers point of view. Okay, after, okay, this is the URL guys, you need to take this URL. Okay, you can get the certification for JMeter. But my personal advice, in company you have certified or not certified, it's not a matter. Okay, you have practical skills, means you need to practice the two three protocols and what is the process JMeter will be used, how we need to do for the application testing, application JMeter testing, and the API JMeter testing, how we need to perform SOAP and REST both, means that is called, another name is microservices. Okay, and what are the elements is available, how we need to perform, how we need to run the load, stress, endurance, spike and volume, GUI mode, non-GUI mode, and you need to prepare the script, multiple threads you need to add to run the test, means how we need to write the queries in database queries. This all the things, for practically you need to practice 5 to 10 times. This certifications is not required. Okay, you are able to clear all the rounds of interview based on your practical knowledge and your English communication. You can strongly argue with to the who is the person, your interviewer, and you can give all the questions, you need to answer that one, and practically you need to show how we need to work our technical knowledge in practical knowledge in practical world. You can clearly easily in interviews, and you can get a job for company point of view, and clear the client interviews, you can get a project, you get a work, and you need to do your work. Yes, your job is done. But this certifications you able to, maybe you need to clear the first round. That first round also you have a certified employee. Okay, its certificates is not decide your life or your interview, based on your knowledge only important. But some people will asking how you need to get the certification for the JMeter. Okay, that reason only today I will get the topic is how to get JMeter certification. Okay, this is the website guys. You can try this one, but you need a payment. That one you need to see, you need to example certified JMeter tester, you will provide something, you need to buy this one. But my suggestion, but a lot many people is asking, that reason only I will show you this one. Yeah, you really interested, yeah, you can go. But My suggestion, don't go far away. Practice minimum 10 times from the JMeter and learn Groovy scripting, Bean Shell script, Java and Oracle database, SQL queries. This all the things you need to practice, and how you need to perform the all type of testings, execution. You need to start the scripting yourself only, and learn a little bit from Selenium WebDriver with Java with the TestNG. These all the things you need to learn. You able to get a job, and you able to easily need to work in practical knowledge. Okay, just my suggestion only. Okay, yeah, that's all guys. This is only JMeter certification will provide at the in government side. Okay, you can take this URL also. Yeah, this is the only URL will given to me. Okay, yeah, that's all guys. Thank you very much. I will connect to the my next video. And everyone, very very happy new year in 2022. Okay, now time is around 12:55 a.m. Okay, it's already started the new year. Just before 1 hour I will wishes to everyone very very happy new year 2022. Bye guys, I will connect next video.